Welcome to my channel. If you love cars, speed, luxury, and the latest innovations in the automobile industry, you are in the right place. This is where we explore the finest machines, the most powerful engines, and the groundbreaking technology shaping the future of automobiles. Get ready to dive into the world of performance, design, and engineering excellence. Buckle up, because this ride is going to be thrilling. Cars are more than just vehicles, they represent passion, innovation, and dreams brought to life. Every curve, every roar of the engine, and every sleek design tells a story of craftsmanship and dedication. Whether it's the power of a Bugatti, the elegance of a Rolls-Royce, or the futuristic technology in a Tesla, each car has its own unique identity and soul. Imagine sitting behind the wheel of your dream car, feeling the leather interior, gripping the steering, and pressing the accelerator as the engine roars to life. The experience is not just about speed, it's about the thrill, the control, and the feeling of absolute freedom. The automobile industry has evolved over the years, bringing us vehicles that redefine performance, safety, and comfort. From classic muscle cars that ruled the streets to cutting-edge electric vehicles leading the charge towards a sustainable future, the journey of the automotive world is truly fascinating. There is something magical about supercars, their aerodynamic design, monstrous power, and jaw-dropping acceleration. Brands like Ferrari, Lamborghini, McLaren, and Porsche have set benchmarks in the industry, pushing the limits of speed and performance. The engineering that goes into these machines is nothing short of remarkable. Every component is designed for maximum efficiency, ensuring that every second on the road is an adrenaline-fueled adventure. Luxury cars, on the other hand, are a perfect blend of comfort, style, and cutting-edge technology. Rolls-Royce, Bentley, Mercedes-Maybach, these names are synonymous with ultimate luxury. The attention to detail in these cars is extraordinary. Hand-stitched leather seats, handcrafted wooden panels, and the smoothest rides make them the epitome of sophistication. Driving a luxury car is not just about reaching a destination, it's about enjoying every moment of the journey in absolute elegance. Let's not forget the revolution brought by electric cars. Tesla, Rivian, Lucid Motors, and other companies are changing the game with EVs that offer high performance without compromising sustainability. The future of cars is electric, autonomous, and more connected than ever. Self-driving technology, AI integration, and smart connectivity are turning cars into intelligent machines that offer an entirely new driving experience. Concept cars give us a glimpse into the future, showcasing groundbreaking designs and innovative features that may soon become a reality. From fully autonomous vehicles to AI-assisted driving systems, the automobile industry is constantly evolving. The vision of flying cars, hyper-connected vehicles, and AI-driven road safety is becoming closer to reality every day. Car enthusiasts love the thrill of speed, but safety is equally important. Advances in safety technology have made modern cars safer than ever before. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and collision avoidance systems help protect drivers and passengers, ensuring that the excitement of driving is never compromised by safety concerns. Customization and modifications are another exciting part of the automotive world. Enthusiasts love to personalize their rides with unique body kits, upgraded exhaust systems, custom paint jobs, and high-performance tuning. Whether it's adding more horsepower or enhancing aesthetics, car modifications allow owners to create a machine that reflects their personality and style. Classic cars hold a special place in the hearts of collectors and enthusiasts. The charm of vintage cars, their timeless designs, and the nostalgia they bring make them truly special. From the Ford Mustang to the Chevrolet Corvette, these legendary machines continue to inspire new generations of car lovers. Restoring a classic car is like bringing history back to life, preserving the beauty and engineering marvels of the past. Car shows and events bring together automobile enthusiasts from all over the world. From international auto expos to exclusive supercar gatherings, these events showcase the best and latest in the automotive industry. The excitement of seeing rare hypercars, limited edition models, and groundbreaking innovations is unmatched. It's a paradise for car lovers, a place where dreams become reality. Racing is another thrilling aspect of the automotive world. Formula One, Le Mans, drag racing, and rally championships test the limits of both man and machine. The intense competition, high-speed maneuvers, and split-second decisions make racing one of the most exhilarating sports on the planet. The sound of a revving engine, the smell of burning rubber, and the sight of a car speeding past at incredible speeds, nothing compares to the adrenaline rush of motorsports. Every car has a story, and every driver has a journey. Some cars are built for speed, some for luxury, and some for adventure. Off-roading vehicles like the Jeep Wrangler, Toyota Land Cruiser, and Ford Bronco are designed to conquer rough terrains and explore the great outdoors. These rugged machines bring a different kind of thrill, one that is all about exploration, endurance, and pushing limits beyond the asphalt. Technology is playing a crucial role in shaping the future of transportation. AI-powered assistants, voice-controlled infotainment systems, and smart vehicle-to-vehicle communication are transforming how we drive. The integration of augmented reality dashboards, biometric security, and next-gen battery technology is making cars smarter, safer, and more efficient. Car culture is more than just about vehicles, it's about the passion, the community, and the love for innovation. Whether you're a fan of JDM legends like the Nissan GT-R and Toyota Supra, European masterpieces like the Bugatti Chiron and Aston Martin DBS, or American muscle beasts like the Dodge Challenger and Ford Mustang, there's something for everyone in the world of automobiles. Thank you for being part of this journey with me. I hope you enjoyed this ride through the world of cars. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest content. This is just the beginning, and there's so much more to explore together. Keep the engines roaring, keep chasing your dreams, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned, stay inspired, and drive with passion. Until next time, happy driving!